If you like drawing, this application is perfect for you. You can draw anything with any color and any pen size. Here you have a great color picker that you can select it any color. You can change the pen size. You can increase the pen size by using these two buttons, the plus button for increasing and the minus button for decreasing, or you can give here directly a number, let us say 5, and set and draw with the new color and the new pen size. Then you have here transparency for your pen, and also another color. Here let us say this much transparency, and you see here the transparency. You can also undo your drawing, change the pen size again back to 3, and another color, let us say this. And here you have in the menu all these options. You can erase your drawing board, you can save your drawing, you can change the background to transparent, you can change it to whiteboard, you can change it to blackboard, or you can customize your board like this. Let us say we want a board with the background color in this, and we can also customize the board width and the board height, 250 pixels and 350 pixels. Now let us draw something here, and you can save it and then give it a name, call it and then save. Okay, then you can find your drawing in the pictures folder in your gallery. Here it is, our drawing. And then you can reset your board. When you reset your board, it's set it to the default settings. Here you have also a help page if you want to know how to use this application. Let us create a whiteboard, draw something. And then save it. Here it is, our drawing. You can install this application in 2 ways. First, you can go to Play Store, and here you can type Aquinos Dreamboard. That is the name of the application. Here is our application. Click on it. I have installed the application and I am using it every day. You can install and use it as well. Another way is to jump to your browser. Here you can type aquinos.com and then enter. Here you have all these beautiful applications, useful applications that you can install and use. So this one is Dreamboard. Visit on Google Play. When you click on it, it brings you on Google Play that you can install and read about this application.